Viva Africa, viva! Viva Africa, viva! And now we hear from Honorable Senator Hezena Matian, a senator from the Great Republic of Kenya.
With all protocol observed, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Senator Hezena Lemalitian from Kenya, famously referred as to Baba's daughter, Baba's last-born. But I want to request Baba that I should not be the last-born, that he continues to mentor and empower young people. So I want to retire from the last-born position. I stand before you as a young senator in the Republic of Kenya, courtesy of His Excellency Right Honorable Raila Odinga's mentorship. I am from a very marginalized minority community in the northern part of Kenya. And as you all know, that an African woman, especially a young African woman going for any political seat is equivalent to swimming with sharks. But because His Excellency Baba held my hand, mentored me, and protected me from all the evils that affect women in the political spaces, I am proud today that my people who are very marginalized have a voice in the upper house of the Parliament of Kenya, which is normally referred to as, in almost every country, as the House of the Old. I take a lot of pride in associating with Baba because over the years, he has been a person of integrity, a man who is very kind. He has never segregated Kenyans based on tribes, based on social class, and that is why when we have demonstrations against our economy in Kenya, Baba is always the leader. When Kenyans demand for their rights, they always associate it with Baba, even the recent Gen Z protest, even when Baba is not involved. But I strongly believe that is because he has inspired a generation of Pan-African, young, strong Pan-Africans across the entire continent. And that has been made very clear today during our meeting with the African Young Parliamentarians Union Network, with the UNODC and AFRODAD, speaking on corruption and fiscal policies in Africa, where we tackled a lot of problems and reasons why corruption is flourishing and metamorphosing each single day in Africa. But we realized that everything emanates from leadership. Because corruption does not swim, corruption does not have legs, corruption is the main cancer that is affecting our continent, and corruption does not see. It uses a medium called citizens of our respective nations. And in Africa we say, a fish rots from the head. That tells you we need a renaissance of African leadership, and I am very much proud to donate my Baba to the whole continent for everybody to enjoy and feel proud of what Baba stands for. A lot of times in our Kenyan politics, when we have had situations where sometimes we are hypocritical as political leaders, we do not stand for integrity sometimes because of the different politics across our different coalitions, that is the opposition and the ruling coalitions. Baba has a lot of times told me and reiterated that I should always stand with integrity. Even when sometimes I want to appear tough and abuse somebody in parliament, he always reminds me, my daughter, you have to stand for the truth at all times. So I have a lot of confidence that Kenya is offering the best of the best, the creme de la creme. Thank you so much, and God bless you.
Thank you very much. It's very difficult.